This is the collection of all the resources I'm using to prepare for my next Kubernetes certification. I love acloudguru because of the labs. The labs come in two formats, the guided mode and the challenge mode. The guided mode basically means that you have instructions how to finish each lab, and in challenge mode you have to do all by yourself. There are no instructions provided. Again, very helpful and handy. The next one is, of course, famous kodekloud. Kodekloud provides mostly DevOps related courses. Again, the value of this platform is that it provides you with hands-on labs. So I tried Kubernetes application developer, administrator, and I finished a Kubernetes security specialist. Also, the Kubernetes challenges is very, very good. Really recommend it, and it's actually free. I also tried k8s challenges, so yeah, I do recommend this one. Usually the way I prepare is I take a course, let's say it's Kubernetes security specialist. I do complete run through all of the labs. I do it 2-3 times, and then you're pretty much ready. And for the simulator, finally you have, as I stated in the previous video, you have kubernetessimulator.com. This is what it looks like. It's 2 different sessions with 2 different set of questions. Again, very much recommend. This is very helpful. So to pass any Kubernetes certification, you just need to do a bunch of labs, a bunch of practice, and you will be good to go.